Do you love slides, swings, and climbing towers? Welcome to our playground adventure. There's so much to discover. Let's check out all the exciting playground equipment you can enjoy in the playground. Aster Basics. Let's start with the classic play equipment. Slide. Zoom down the slide and feel the wind in your hair. Tube slides. Slide through a twisting tube for a tunnel adventure. Spiral slides. Spin around as you slide down the curvy spiral. Double or racing slides. Race a friend side by side to see who reaches the bottom first. Swing. Swing back and forth, higher and higher in the air. Tire swings. Sit in the tire and spin or swing for extra fun. Basket swings or net swings. Sit with friends on the basket swing and enjoy together. Seesaw or teeter totter. Go up and down with a friend for some bouncing fun. Carousel with seats. Ride the carousel and go round and round on fun seats. Merry-go-round or roundabout. Spin around in circles and laugh as you go. Rocking horse. Bounce up and down on a friendly horse figure. Spring riders, rocking animals' vehicles. Bounce and rock on animals or cars mounted on springs. Spring seesaw. A seesaw with springs that makes the ride bouncy and extra fun. Climbing and balancing equipment. Climbing frame. Climb, hang, and explore like a little adventurer. Jungle gym or climbing frame. Explore different levels and swing from bars. Monkey bars. Swing hand over hand like a tiny acrobat. Rope ladder. Climb carefully using the rope ladder to reach higher spots. Climbing walls or rock walls. Reach the top using handholds and footholds like a mini rock climber. Climbing nets. Climb up flat or angled nets for a fun challenge. Net climber. Climb inside big 3D rope domes or pyramids. Dome climber. Climb over the dome-shaped ropes and explore every angle. Climbing net pyramid. Scale the pyramid of ropes and feel like a true adventurer. Climbing ladders. Step up and reach the top of playground towers. Rope climbing poles. Pull yourself up on vertical ropes for strength and fun. Climbing ropes. Grab the ropes and swing or climb up like a superhero. Balance beams. Walk carefully to keep your balance and not fall. Balance disc. Stand or walk on the disc to test your balance skills. Rope bridges. Cross the wobbly rope bridge carefully to reach the other side. Wobble bridge. Step across the shaky bridge and balance as you go. Suspension bridge. Swing and wobble as you cross the suspension bridge. Roll runner. Step inside and roll forward like a giant hamster wheel. It's all about balance and non-stop fun. Hanging rings. Swing from ring to ring like a jungle monkey, testing your strength and grip. Hula hoops. Spin them around your waist, arms, or legs and see how long you can keep them twirling. Overhead spinner. Grab the handle or the ring, lift your feet, and spin around like you're flying through the air. Roller slider. A bumpy, Giggly ride down as rollers carry you from top to bottom, like sliding on. Rolling table. Crawl or walk across as the surface rolls beneath you, making balance a super challenge. Spinning ring. A low-to-the-ground ring that spins, often at a slight tilt. You can walk, run, or shift your weight on it to spin yourself around. Modern or multi-play structures. Playhouse. Pretend and play inside a little house. Forts. Climb inside forts and create your own secret space. Treehouse-style structures. Climb up and play in a treehouse high above the ground. Crawl tube. A short, round tube where kids crawl through. Usually straight, sometimes with small holes or windows. Tunnel. A bigger or longer passageway that can be straight, curved, or even made of ropes that connects parts of the playground. Zip line. Slide across like a superhero on a flying zip line. Spinning/rotating equipment. Spinning wheel. Spin around in circles and feel the fun whirl. Seated spinner. Sit down and twirl round and round with friends. Adventure, natural and active play. Sand pit or sandbox. Dig, build, and create castles in the sand. Trampolines, ground-level mini ones. Bounce high and feel like you can touch the sky. Obstacle course. Run, jump, and climb through fun challenges. Bouncy castle, temporary setup. Jump and bounce in the colorful castle. Water play area, splash pad or fountains. Splash and play in cool water on sunny days. Water play tables. Pour, splash, and have fun with water tables. Skateboard ramp. Ride a skateboard and try small tricks safely. Bicycle track or pump track. Cycle around the track and enjoy speedy fun. Educational and interactive panels and games. Activity panel, games and puzzles. Solve puzzles and play fun games with your hands. Musical play panel, drums and chimes. Make music and sounds while playing. Hopscotch markings. Jump from number to number in a fun game. Chalkboard wall. Draw and write whatever you like on the wall. Giant tic-tac-toe or maze board. Play giant games and solve fun mazes with friends. Fitness station, outdoor gym. Exercise, stretch, and stay strong while playing. That was so much fun! Which playground equipment was your favorite? Next time you visit a park, see how many of these fun playthings you can spot. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it, subscribe to Aster Basics, and hit the bell icon for notifications on more fun and amazing videos.